California's lemon law provides what we call a presumption. Presumption is a set of guidelines or suggestions on what issues give rise to a car being considered a lemon. Now, it's important to know that the presumption isn't exhaustive, so there's plenty of cars and plenty of issues that don't fall squarely within the presumption that are still considered a lemon and are still repurchased by the manufacturer. The presumption has three main categories. The first two categories depend on the type of issues you're experiencing and whether they're safety related or not. If they are safety related and the manufacturer or its dealer has had 2 or more attempts to fix that issue, your car is considered a lemon. If the issue is non-safety related, for example, it's your Bluetooth or your navigation display, and the dealer has had 4 or more chances to repair that issue, your car is considered a lemon. The third category doesn't depend on the type of issue you're experiencing, but rather the number of days your car has been in for service. If your car has been in for service at an authorized dealer for more than 30 days, and that's 30 days total, not 30 days straight, but 30 days total, your car is considered a lemon. As a reminder, what we just discussed is the lemon law presumption. There are plenty of cars experiencing issues that don't fall squarely within one of those categories, but still qualify for a repurchase. So it's important that you contact a qualified lemon law attorney so they can review your service records and speak to you about your problems to determine if you have a case.